How to learn hypnosis to treat people step by step. Step 1. Build trust with the patient and convince them of treatment. Start with quiet communication with the person. Talk to them in a reassuring and calm tone. I'm here to help you. Magnetic therapy is safe and effective and will give you a sense of comfort and control over yourself. Explain that the session relies on deep relaxation and rebalancing energy in the body, which helps treat addiction or any psychological issue. Reassure the person that they will remain conscious and will feel progressively better after each session. Step 2. Perform persuasion tests. 4 tests. The first test, the weight test in the hand. Ask the person to extend their hands forward. Tell him, imagine your left hand being too heavy. It feels like it's loaded with heavy weights, and repeat slowly and calmly. The person will gradually begin to feel heavy. This test shows his readiness for treatment and makes him convinced of the effectiveness of the session. Second test, magnetic eye test. Ask him to focus his eyes on a fixed point in your hands or on something in front of him. He quietly repeated, "Your eyes got very heavy, you feel," like gradually closing them down. When his eyes close, he tells him, "This is proof that you are responding excellently to magnetic energy." Third test, balance and energy test. Stand behind the person without touching them and ask them to stand relaxed. Turn your energy toward his back and say, "You feel a warm energy pulling you gently back." Give in to her. If a person moves, it shows their response to magnetic energy. Test 4, total relaxation test. Ask him to sit or lie down. Face him to slowly breathe deeply and say, "With each breath, you feel deeply relaxed. Your muscles melt and succumb to total rest." Once in a relaxed state, he told him, "You are now in perfect condition to receive magnetic therapy." Step 3. Progressive programming of the patient's mind. Programming relies on repeated overtones and daily processing. Day 1 to day 5. Focus on planting positive thoughts. You are stronger than addiction. You feel liberated day by day. Day 6 to day 10. Work on boosting self-confidence. You're a balanced person. You have the power to control your life. Day 11 to day 15. Repeat the final overtones and focus on feeling accomplished and comfortable. I became completely free. You feel happy and reassured. Step 4. Addiction treatment strategy. 1. Removing the desire for addiction. Programming the patient's mind to feel disgusted by addictive behavior. Imagine walking away from everything that causes you addiction. You feel pure and psychologically comfortable. 2. Enhance feeling of power and control. He repeated, "You control your life." Desire disappears completely. 3. Connecting addiction to negative emotions. Have the patient imagine that returning to addiction is associated with psychological or physical pain. 4. Repeat sessions. Practice sessions daily for 15 days with a focus on progressive progress.